What's up, YouTube? Go Charger here, coming with a opening video from Catch You Are Noob 100. Finally got the stuff sent. Got it today. Got to clean up my aquarium later with gay fish. Alright, so let's get it open. That's it, I think. What the flock is this? What the hell? The fuck? There we go. Sleeves and the top loader. If I'm not mistaken, it should be like 8 cards. So yeah, let's get to it. We got Element Hero Gaia, super rare. Blue Blooded Oni. Erratic Seal from the Ashes. Endless Decay. Needleworm. 2 Gemini Rubies. And number 53 Heart Earth. Whatever you want to call it. Ulti. As I said, Catch You Are Noob 100. So yeah, check out this channel. It'll be in the description below. And peace. Good trader. Yeah. Yada yada.